Okay, moving on to Fundamentals of Programming Advanced. We're going to start on lesson 17. We're going to introduce you to the turtle. Okay, so you have to make sure now that when you start going into Repellent to use Python, you're using the Python with turtle. Okay, and all the turtle is just a way for us to kind of use graphics and using cursor to leave a line behind us wherever we go. Okay, so let's jump into that lesson. Okay, so what is turtle? First of all, you have to make sure when you're creating a new Repellent that you're using the one that says with turtle. Once you've got a program window open, we're going to write these things in there. Okay, so I have that set up right here. And this is a turtle Repellent. So the first thing you have to do is import the turtle, and then you're going to put this line, t equals turtle dot turtle brackets, open and closed. All that does, this line here, all that does is names your turtle t. So rather than, and you can see I've got some commands down here, rather than writing turtle dot forward, turtle dot right, you can just write t dot right. So you could realistically rename the turtle whatever you want. I just renamed it that because it's quicker to just type one letter. Okay. Once we've done that, we're going to make the turtle do some work. Okay. Anywhere the turtle moves, it leaves a line. So we're going to practice on entering some code. So you can see what I had on the other line, but we're going to create this. And if we read it, the turtle is going to move forward 50. And the 50 in here is pixels. Okay. So any space, electronic space, has so many pixels per square inch and stuff like that. So 50 is how far on the screen it's going to move, and it's just in pixels. Okay, so it's going to move forward 50 pixels. It's going to turn right. Now the right command for the turtle works in degrees. So it's going to turn 90 degrees, then it's going to move 50, turn right 90 degrees, move 50, turn right 90 degrees, and move 50. Okay, and when you run this, now you're going to see the turtle move 50, turn right and move 50, turn right and move 50, turn right and move 50. Makes you a square. Okay, very, very simple. That's the first thing I want you to try and do when you open up Python. Okay, and you'll see here the square has been drawn. Now there used to be a second spot, and you can see in my screenshot here, there used to be a spot where you'd have to look between the console and result. It looks like they've broken that into two sections right now. So the console is down here and the results down here. So you can still have regular text outputted to here, and any graphics will be drawn up at the top. Okay, this chart is a chart of some of the basic commands that you use. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'm going to let you use, this is something that you can kind of refer back to. Saving this screen separately on its own would be probably useful. Okay, so turtle up and turtle down just lifts up the pen, right? So if you want to move from one spot to another spot on your drawing area, you would lift the pen up, and you don't want a line there. You'd lift the pen up and then put the pen back down. Okay, you can mess with colors. You can fill, you can hide the turtle, show the turtle, turn right, turn left, move the turtle forward, move it backwards, set a specific heading for the turtle, go to a specific spot, X and Y axis, and then you can draw circles, which we'll get to in a few other assignments as we move on. So using these things, you can go through and just mess with the turtle, make it do whatever you want it to do, and try and draw something interesting, and then we'll move on to the first few assignments. All right, let me know if you have questions, and I can help you out with them.